plot this path onto a Cartesian plane with coordinates, we're going to make some other settings here. We come to the third button down here on the right, which when we hold the cursor over it, it should tell us that we're setting the origin. Set origin, and I'm going to try to get right on that first point that I picked. And so now I've got which is effectively an x-axis and a y-axis. Now I come to the fourth button down here, which says set the scale, and we have got a 1 meter ruler down the bottom of the picture, and we can now tell this video analysis that from there, click and drag, from there to there is 1 meter. You could leave it as 1 meter, you could call it 100 centimeters, and the software will go with whatever you say it is. Let's look at the table of numbers that's being generated. So I come over here and just click on that space there, which shows me this part of the table. I'll drag it across a bit more, and we can see that as we've been doing the dots, there is time recorded, the x-axis, the horizontal distances, and the vertical distances. Time starts at 1.268 seconds, which is not entirely convenient. So I come back and I'll right click on the screen, which gives me movie options. And if we come down to the selection that says the first point defines time 0, go back to the table, and now time starts at 0, and the x and y are pretty close to 0. I can now select those 3 columns and do a copy and paste into Excel. So copy and then open up Excel and paste that data into the spreadsheet. I'm going to start at row 11, paste that in there. There's the data from what I plotted on the Logger Pro.